Responsibility. What's your relationship with responsibility? Some people absolutely embrace it. Some people run towards it. Some people just can't wait to get their hands on it. And other people are kind of at the opposite end of the spectrum where they're thinking, I don't want anything to do with any of that. That's too much for me. I'm happy in my own lane for right now. I'm very, very grateful this week for my ability to take on responsibility in any area of my life. I would much rather be the one that's relied on to take responsibility and help support people through things rather than being a passenger. Now, there's nothing wrong with being a passenger. There are certain times in my life where I absolutely appreciate being led and being a participant in things, but for the most part I seem to navigate and gravitate towards being the more responsible one. Now, people who go out partying with me would maybe say something different, but that's a different story. For a different day. That's not part of this video, but I am grateful for those times too. But I love to take responsibility. I love to get things organized for myself and other people. I love to be the one at the helm. I love to be the one having the difficult conversations and then having to communicate that information to other people. I just love it. It energizes me. It absolutely enthuses me as I go forward, and I wouldn't want it any other way. And when I think back to the years gone past, it was always the same. I never really thought of myself as being a responsible person or someone who would really embrace taking responsibility for various things, but it's just manifested and fashioned itself over my lifetime, and it's something that I've learned to really genuinely enjoy. Can I help if I take much more responsibility here? If not, what is my role here? And I'll take responsibility for that. But being absolutely responsible at all times in my life is where I strive towards, and I'm very, very thankful that I managed to achieve that for the most part. What are you thankful for this week?